Hello friends, welcome back. This session will answer you all the questions that you faced in the quiz 2. I hope it was interesting and we are going to go through it quickly with the answers and I hope definitely you will like it. I hope you have done it well in the exams. So anyways, let's recap. What is the value for RD field in the machine code 00AF8020? Now the answers options are 0 followed by 4 ones, all zeros, 1 followed by 4 0, 00101. So answer is 1 followed by 4 zeros. But how do I get it? Very simple. Expand everything. Now 00AF8020 is there, right? Expand it as this 0 gets as 0000, this 0 gets as 0000, A gets as 1010, F gets as 1111. Similarly, you need to expand everything. And then we know that the format is opcode, RS, RT, RD, SA and function code. Opcode is 6 bits, right? So we need to group that as 6 bits. RS is 5, RT is 5, RD is 5. Now the question is, what is the value for RD field? Now I have grouped this, so the answer would be 10000. This is the answer and this is how we need to get this into this. Remember, it's a very important question. There could be a lot of questions in the same order, so you can remember it and you can answer the questions appropriately. Now, which among the following is an example for register addressing mode? Just go through the question. You need not even read anything else. AL, some address is there, forget it. AX and CX, an option. BX, comma, BX plus SI. This is not the right one. This is again some address. So what is the question? The question is register addressing mode. So the answer goes without saying move AX, comma, CX. Match the following. Let's do some fun here. It's all fun. A of I is equal to B of J. While in the bracket star A plus plus close. Int temp equal to star X. And we need to match which type of addressing each belong to. Now let's match it easily. This is nothing but indexed addressing. Easily you can say that. And this is nothing but auto increment. A plus plus is there. Just close your eyes and increment it. This is indirect. That's all. Very simple. I hope you have done it in the exam. Now this one is very interesting. Find the machine code corresponding to the MIPS instruction. Add T0, S1 and S2. Now the code is given in the answer. There are 4 codes given, right? Let's first take the first one as an instance and you need to segregate it properly. The first field is opcode. I have got opcode here and it is 6 bits. Second one is RS. Third one is RT. Fourth is RD. All the registers are 5 bits. So 5, 5, 5 I have. You can see that I have segregated it. And this is shift amount. I don't have anything, so this is R type. And this is finally function code and this is 32. And now we need to find out the corresponding code for the instruction add. So this is all 0. So this is one of the probable options. This is one of the probable options. All zeros are there. This is ruled out. And this could be one of the probable options. But in the last, this is all 1. So this is ruled out. So we have got now the fight between the first option and the last option. Let's go through it step by step and let's understand. Now, what is T0? You can see that RS, RT and RD. Remember, S0 to S7 is always framed with or connected with 16 to 23. T0 to T7 is always connected to 8 to 15. Now it's very simple, right? Now RS gets 1001, which is nothing but S1. 1001 is equivalent to S1, which is 17. You can see that 16, 8, 4, 2 and it is 17. Now RT gets 10010, which is 5 bit again, which is nothing but S2 because it is 18. Now RD gets 01000. It is just 8 value. So what is 8? 8 is T0. Now you see that I have got T0, S2 and S1 right here in the first option itself. So let me go ahead with the first option as the answer. This can be ruled out. The last one is ruled out, second is ruled out, third is ruled out. That's all. It's very simple. Now, assembly language instruction corresponding to the machine code 022 F8022H. How do we get the corresponding instruction for this given code? How do we segregate it again? Convert it to all binary 0000, 0010, 0010, all ones, 1000, all zeros, 0010, 0010. Now we know that the first field is 6 bit, second is 5, third is 5, fourth is 5, fifth is 5, last is 6 bit. Let's segregate it properly. We are now grouping it all together. Now the first field has confirmed that it is an R type instruction. So it could be addition or subtraction. So rest two are gone. Forget it. Now let's come here. We can see that it is 34. So 34 represents subtraction. So the first is also gone. Rest two are already gone. Since it is confirmed here, you can close your eyes and select subtraction. This is just selecting the wrong answers first, completely eliminating it, and then going for the right answer. This is the right approach for you to go ahead with COA quizzes. Now, what is the destination register used in the machine code 023250220? As usual, 2 is getting converted as 000, 0 is converted as 0000, 20010, 0001, 0010, 0101. Similarly, I expand for everything. Now we know that it is 6-bit, 5-bit, 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 5-bit and 6-bit. Right? So what do we do? The order is opcode, RS, RT and RD. RD 5 bits I have grouped, and you can see that the value is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So what is it? It is nothing but 10. So what is 10 connected to? T0 is 8, T1 is 9, T2 is 10. So answer is T2. That's all. It's very easy and I hope you understood it. Load word T0 32, S1 means. What do you mean by that? Very simple. Load word is all about loading content into the register. So what do? We will select the first answer. Load content of S1 to register T0. No. Load content from the location specified by S1 to T. No. Load content from the location S1 plus 32. Yes. So that's what is happening here. This and this together will get you some address, and that address will have some content, and that content goes into T0. But remember, while you are implementing, you need to multiply it by 4. Add T0, 10, 20. Is not a valid MIPS instruction because $T0 is for temporary storage. Is not a valid MIPS instruction because all data should be 32-bit length. Is not a valid MIPS instruction because arithmetic operation should be all with register operands. This is valid MIPS instruction. This is definitely not valid. First one is meaningless, second one is meaningless. Here it has to be $T1, $T2, something like that. Or you can even specify $2, $3. In that case also it is right. In the question it was just a numeric here. So this is wrong. That's the reason that was wrong. Now for the given assembly code, what is the corresponding code? Add f, g, h. Now how is it to be written? F is equal to g plus h. Add f, I, f. What do you mean by that? F is the summation of I plus f. That's it. Now what do we get? F is nothing but calculated from I plus this result. So I plus g plus h is the answer. Is it available here? That's all. I hope you understood that and it's all easy. Come back to me if you have any queries. Until then, I sign off from you. Thank you.